Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be going over the Ordinary Peeling Solution, and this is one of the popular peeling solutions. This is the AHA 30% plus the BHA 2%. It is the one that is just all red when it goes onto your skin. I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my skin, but before I apply it to my skin, I want to give you guys a little information about the company and their products. So The Ordinary, it's a very popular, affordable skincare company, and they are actually sold at Sephora and Ulta, and they are owned by, or their parent company is DCM, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Their products are manufactured and bottled out of Canada. All of their products are cruelty-free and vegan, and I think the majority of their products, or all of their products, are alcohol, gluten, nut oil, silicone, and parabens, and sulfates free. So that's just a little bit of information about the company and the products. So let's go ahead and break this open. I've actually already broken it open. I've used it a few times before, so this is how it looks. Here, let me give you guys a close look at the bottle. So you can see exactly what type, because they have so many products and they all look very similar, especially the clear liquids. So you really have to pay attention to the wording on here and what it says. And then also when you're going online and you're looking at the website, like I'll go to Ulta, and when I go to Ulta, I'll look and I'll read exactly what areas it targets and kind of get the product for those certain areas that I need treatment on my skin. So, but this is how it looks in the bottle. So what you do is you go ahead and, actually, I'm going to read to you guys exactly how it says to put it on. So it says directions. Clean your face, which my face is clean, and wait for your skin to dry. Do not use on wet skin. Apply evenly across your face, your neck. Sometimes I'll put it on my chest. I'm not today because I have it covered up. And it says adding, so using face and neck, using your fingertips, avoiding the eye area, and leave on for no more than 10 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Do not use on sensitive, peeling, or compromised skin. Avoid the eye contour and contact with eyes, both during application and rinse off. Okay, so it goes on to a little bit. Well, I'm not going to keep reading it because I'm going to bore you guys. So this, I want to give you a little information from the Ulta website because it goes into a little bit more detail. So it tells you use ideally in the PM, and this could be what was the rest of the stuff on the container, but it's so tiny you can barely see it. Use ideally in the PM, no more frequently than twice per week. Clean face and wait for skin to dry, which is what I said. Leave on no more than 10 minutes and rinse off with warm water. Okay. Oh, very important. This product targets textural irregularities, signs of congestion, uneven skin tone, and signs of aging. So let's just go ahead and apply it. So here we go. And this is exactly how I do it, just like myself normally doing it. It runs pretty fast, so that's how it looks. Some people call it like the vampire peel. So it says it's a peel. So I think sometimes, or I don't know if people think this, I used to when I wasn't really that into skincare. I would think a peel is something you put on your skin and you peel it off. So no, it's just a chemical peel. So it's not going to peel off. You're going to put it on your skin and then, like I said, you're going to rinse it off. But it would be cool if it peeled off. So like there's really no way to do this because it's just running. I just try to do one section at a time. It's just easier for me. And then and just pray that this does not spill everywhere. And then just keep kind of rubbing it in so it's like all spread out. I'm not going to do it on my neck today because I don't want to have like a big huge mess, but I'm trying to show you guys how this works. I normally will put a little bit like right here, not on my lip, but right on that lip line. And the reason I do that is because this is a peel and I want to, obviously you don't want to get it in your mouth, but I know as we as humans, as we age, we can tend to get like wrinkles or little lines around that lip. And I feel like after I put that around my lip area, like I said, not on it, just like right here on the edge of it, it makes that area look a lot better and like more refreshed. And it almost kind of makes my lip area look a little more like plump, so, and like shiny. So as you put it on, it's going to start to tingle. It's not a really harsh burning, but you definitely feel it. So if you're a sensitive person, it might bother you, but like me, those little things don't really bother me. So now once you got it all nice and like into your skin, just set your timer or just check your time and make sure that you don't leave it on for more than the 10 minutes. And that's it. So that's how it's looking. You could put a little bit more, I guess, if you want to. I just kind of leave it like this. I don't go and put extra. But, so that's it. So let's wait the 10 minutes. I'll come back, I'll rinse it off, come back, and we'll talk about it. Okay guys, so it's been 10 minutes, and I just wanted to show you before I rinse everything off how it's looking. It looks the same, like, I mean, I think it looks the same. It looks a little bit more red now, but other than that, it looks the same. So I want to show you how it's looking before I rinse it off. So now I'm going to go ahead and rinse it off, and we'll talk about it. Okay, so I got everything rinsed off. So immediately after, once it's rinsed off and I look at my skin, it feels so much better. It just feels refreshed and it feels really clean. And it has a little bit of a shine to it. I don't know how well you guys can see it through the camera, but like you can see my nose is like a little shine to it, and like these areas here is very shiny in a good way. And it looks nice and clear and just clean. I know peels are something that they work over time, but I definitely feel with this peel, you can see some things right away after taking it off, so. But yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah, this is the way it looks. It feels really great. It feels like it says like unclogs impurities. It definitely feels like that. I don't feel like my skin feels congested, you know? It feels just very clean, and like anything that was bad in there kind of got off. So yeah, so this is it. If you guys have any questions, please list the questions below and I'll try to help you guys out or answer anything I can answer if you have any questions about this peel, because I've used it probably about 5 or 6 times now. So just let me know. And remember, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button below. Thank you guys so much for joining me for another video and coming to my channel. I appreciate it. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.